What if I told you the phone with the best battery life we've ever tested isn't an iPhone? And it's not a Samsung either? Because inside the new OnePlus 15, there's something so big and so unexpected that it even beats phones with larger battery capacities on paper. So let's talk about why this phone is quietly becoming a battery monster. At first glance, the OnePlus 15 doesn't look revolutionary. Some longtime OnePlus fans even say it feels too simple compared to the more premium OnePlus 13, but once you look past the design, the truth is pretty hard to ignore. This thing is fast. It's bright, it's sturdy, it's under $1,000. And the battery life absolutely destroys big-name flagships like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And here's the crazy part. It even outperforms the Red Magic 11 Pro, which comes with a massive 7,500 milliampere-hour cell. The OnePlus 15 has only 7,300 milliampere-hour, yet still lasts longer. How? Well, thanks to a teardown from Home and translations from OnePlus Club, we now get to see what's actually happening inside this phone. The first thing they highlight is the obvious: the battery is huge. Compared to the OnePlus 13, the internal space dedicated to the battery has increased significantly. And it's not just any battery, it's a silicon-carbon cell. This high-density tech packs more capacity into the same space, which is why OnePlus can deliver insane endurance without making the phone thick and ugly. But the battery isn't the only interesting part. The RAM and storage are Samsung-sourced. LPDDR5X Ultra memory pushing speeds up to 10,667 megabits per second, next to UFS 4.1 storage. Beneath the RAM sits the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, and above the storage is OnePlus' own G2 network chip, basically the reason games stay smooth even when the phone heats up. The teardown also shows something gamers will love: matching top and bottom speakers using AAC 1510 units, set inside full metal housings with bass acoustic material. This delivers a louder, more balanced audio experience compared to the uneven setup on the previous generation. Now, the speakers can get loud, really loud, but the sound still lacks clean separation between lows, mids, and highs. So if you care about audio detail, you may want to pair the phone with some good headphones. But overall, the OnePlus 15 isn't just a good phone. Inside, it's engineered like a battery-first flagship built to outlast everything around it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, share it with someone curious about the OnePlus 15. And tell me in the comments, would you buy a phone just for insane battery life?